Moondrop has officially released an upgrade to the Aria, the original Aria that was very, very popular. They released the Aria 2. This is the second generation of the Aria series. They've worked on the driver this time around, and you have something new to work with now compared to the original Aria. When I got the original Aria, I said I wasn't a big fan of the tuning simply because of the hammer and target that they worked with back then. It didn't have a lot of bass and it sounded just too dry. It was neutral, but it was very dry. I wasn't a huge fan of the original Aria, but my goodness, that original Aria was so successful, sold a lot. A lot. It was so successful for Moondrop, and they've decided, look, we can revisit what made us so successful and release a new version. Now, you still have similar shell to the original, so they've not changed so much. They've not really changed anything that much this time around. It's almost as if they even just repainted the shell, to be fair. Made it more silver in color. So now the second generation is technically a revamp of the very successful first generation model, but there are some little improvements that would tickle your fancy. First of all, there is a new dynamic driver, a new generation dynamic driver. There is also an enhanced pressure vent structure. You also will get a new modular cable. You'll even have many new things on this new Aria 2 compared to the original that would make it a bit worth your while to get instead of maybe keeping the original. Now, one thing they've worked on this time around is the dynamic driver. It's going to come with, at least the dynamic driver is going to come with a high quality TIN ceramic coated dome structure, as well as a very, very good composite diaphragm design. Now, it does have a symmetrical magnetic circuit that is really, really crafted very well. You also will have a very thick shell. It's a very good aluminum shell, very similar to the original. It has the same pattern of design like the original model. Moondrop is claiming that this model is going to have a CNC mill zinc alloy ear cavity. It's going to come with that, and then you will also have a very good cable. The cable is one thing that they worked on this time. In fact, the company even claims they have a newly developed air pressure vent structure, so it makes it very easy to wear. At least it's more comfortable than the original. Another big problem I had with the original was that it was nowhere comfortable. In fact, it couldn't even stay in my ears. It kept falling out. I don't know how they made that first one. It was so uncomfortable for me. I had to discard the earphone all entirely. Moondrop, over the years, have built a very strong brand across audiophiles. So it's very difficult right now to tell any audiophile otherwise. The Aria 2 has this new hybrid copper silver plated cable. It's actually Litz braided cable. The cable has very much almost all the terminations that you need. You have a 3.5 millimeter single-ended and 4.4 millimeter balanced connection. So look, the price is $89.99, so literally $90. It's currently available. I'm gonna drop links to stores where you can purchase them. If you're interested in any of them, do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.